DRC Collision is your trusted source for collision repair, located in Westfield, Indiana. We're an I-CAR Gold certified facility equipped to repair all customer commuter vehicles, as well as light, medium, and heavy-duty fleet units. We know every hour off the road costs you. That's why DRC is built to get you back on the road quickly and efficiently. At DRC, we have the capacity to handle high roof and extended length commercial vehicles, such as Ram Promasters, Ford Transits, Freightliners, and Mercedes Sprinter vans. From mechanical to cosmetic, we make sure your vehicles both look and perform like new. Our facility includes 2 full-size truck paint booths, and as an I-CAR Gold Class facility, we meet the highest industry repair standards. Fleet vehicles always come first for us. DRC supports a wide range of fleet operations and is continually expanding to serve more national and regional partners. We offer 24/7 pickup and drop-off for fleet operators, and we work directly with insurance companies to simplify claims, minimizing downtime for our customers. You can expect fast estimates and regular status updates, so you're never left guessing. Whether you manage a delivery fleet, local or national logistics operations, or any service requiring larger commercial vehicles, DRC is your trusted source for fast, reliable repair. DRC Collision, keeping your fleet on the road, looking sharp and running strong.